If Olympia is growing according to the equation p sub n equals 245 times 1.03 to the n, where n is years after 2008 and population is measured in thousands, find when the population will be 400,000. So what we're doing here is setting our population equal to 400,000. So 400 equals 245 times 1.03 to the n. To solve for the exponent here, we know that we're going to have to first divide by the 245. So 400 divided by 245 equals 1.03 to the n. But now we need to get that exponent out. And this is where we need to review something that we've seen in the past, which is logarithms. In solving an exponential for the time, which is the exponent, we need this property of logarithms. The log of a to the r is equal to r times the log of a. We can apply that to this equation here if we take the log of both sides. Log of 400 over 245 equals log of 1.03 to the n. The rule that we're using now lets us pull that exponent out in front. So this is now n times log of 1.03. Now, in order to solve for n, we just need to divide by this log. So we have log of 400 over 245 divided by the log of 1.03. This is equal to n. We'll plug this into our calculator. Most calculators have a log button, and you just need to find it. In our calculator here, it's right here over the 10 to the x button. So, to do this, we're going to do Control and then that 10 to the x, and that will create the log. You'll notice that it asks for a base here. Okay, the base on the log does not matter as long as it's the same on both of them. The standard base is 10. So, if we just type a 10 into there, and then do our fraction of the 400 over 245, and then take this and divide it by another log base 10 of 1.03, and we hit enter, and it gives us our answer, 16.58 approximately. So n is equal to 16.58, and this is years after 2008. So if I take that and add it to 2008, we get about the year 2024, somewhere in the middle of the year 2024.